Meaning of dreamer.
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 Dreamer. A dreamer is a person who frequently engages in imaginative and unrealistic thoughts or fantasies. They have a tendency to envision future possibilities and aspire to achieve them, often making them seem impractical or far-fetched. Although dreamers can be creative and innovative, they may struggle with practical implementation and balancing their dreams with reality. Ultimately, being a dreamer can have both positive and negative implications, as it can lead to great accomplishments but also disappointment if expectations are not met.